I go again?
Nobody can laugh, whether you get humped or not.
Yeah, you just gotta get humped.
Yeah, it's like dying.
I am going down to the school, which is literally blocks away from my house, and I'm volunteering for a choir concert so the school can make a little money and my kid can keep on playing sports. Oh, that's neutral. I'm not gonna go anywhere neutral. I will be playing a parking attendant today. And it is cold out, that's why I have my beautiful stocking hat on. Gonna bundle up, or I'll freeze my booty off. Come on, zip her up. Gotta get home, it's 9 o'clock. Get myself cleaned up. Cause I gotta go volunteer at JUCO now. I think I'll be taking the highway today. I gotta get there, man. Cut this guy off. Sorry, guy. Let's see just how fast I can get to JUCO.
So I crawl back into your open arms.
Waiting for the computer to restart. The computer that I use.
Yeah, it's not technically your computer, it's still Zach's.
I didn't say it was my computer, I said it's the computer I use.
Yeah.
So what gives you more right to Zach's computer than me?
I'm his brother.
On tape. On tape. Zoe, I think, just died of embarrassment. Oh, good. That means I get the computer back. Uh-huh. I got a 3. I picked the right one, yes! No! I got it first!
You gotta get the bell.
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell.
You gotta ring the bell.
You just got mad on that one.
We got a bunch of cutthroat nitpickers here. What we got? Does everybody want music? Because I can take the music out and then put the real music in.
Put some music on now.
All right.
You can edit music in
Right. Right.
Ready?
Are we ready?
Yep.
All right. 30 seconds.
And you ready?
Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1.
That's a suck.
Hey.
All right. Me, my wife, and the kids, we were going down to Tennessee to visit her family one time, and it had been raining that week. And some of the highways had been washed out, so we had to kind of take a little bit different way. The way we were going, it was bringing us pretty close to Metropolis, Illinois. They have a, I don't know if it's 15 or 20-foot statue of Superman standing directly in front of City Hall in Metropolis. It's like midnight, 1 o'clock, and we drive up there, and we're coming straight on a straight long street, straight towards City Hall. And this statue is uplit, and it's just majestic and awesome looking. The new Superman movie coming out. They did some filming here in Plano, Illinois, which isn't far from Joliet here. And while they were filming out there, they contacted the company I work for to do a sign. They bought a sign from us, and it's actually in the new Superman movie. I was driving home from work one time, and at the time we lived out in Elwood, and Elwood, I mean, it's kind of out there in the sticks a little bit. I was leaving work, and it was snowing real bad out, and it had been snowing bad for the day. So I'm driving home in this really bad snow, and I'm on Brandon Road, and I'm driving, I'm like, all right, I'm doing it, I'm gonna get there, and all of a sudden, just flump, and I just go straight into the ditch there. I get out, I try to get it out of the snow, I tried to dig it out a little bit, but the snow like was coming up about that far on the sides of the car. On the other side that it tilted in, it was in even further. I mean, I was packed into the snow real good, and there was no getting me out. So I finally gave up, and like I said, I'd almost made it home. So I was only like a mile or two away from home. So I get out and I start walking, and I had my work pants on, which are just like slacks. By the time I walked like half a mile, my pants are already coated in like a frozen layer of snow. Somebody saw me and pitied me and told them to get in their car, and they gave me a ride the rest of the way home. So thank goodness for good people, you know, nice people. Well, I was saying I wanted snow, I got it. Yeah, it's nasty out. Oh, it looks like my truck has a high top. A buzz cut. Woo-wee. Not too bad. Hopefully my son will get that. Woo-hoo. Like driving on ice. Hopefully my son will get that snow up later on. It's like a winter wonderland. So my son, who's 19 and out of high school, I asked him to shovel the driveway and the walkways yesterday, and yeah, you can see he did a spectacular job. Oh look, he shoveled the very end of the driveway though. But not this, like, he's got like a median here though. He shoveled just enough so I wouldn't get really upset with him. And I think it's because he had some birthday money and went out and bought some games and some movies yesterday. I'm sure that's what happened. So yay! I actually came home at about 5 o'clock yesterday, quarter after 5. He had only done one walkway from the back door to the driveway, and then he didn't shovel any of the driveway, and then I had to yell at him, and he didn't do the front walk. He didn't do any of that. So then I had to yell at him again, even though I specifically told him this morning exactly what I wanted done. And he's like, "Oh, I have plans with my friends." I'm like, "Well, you know, I asked you to do this how many hours ago?" His jobs are to go to school and shovel when it snows, and like mow the lawn during the summer. So I was thinking this morning about wearing my Superman shirt. I was thinking this morning about the Superman theme song, and I was having trouble remembering how it went because the Superman theme song is very similar, at least to me, to two other theme songs, and a lot of you probably know what I'm talking about because I think a lot of people get this, but Star Wars and Indiana Jones, they're both very similar, or all three of them very similar. Star Wars is da 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 da. Indiana Jones is da 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 da. And then Superman goes. Dude, hold on. See, give me a second. Superman goes. That's the thing, is I can only ever remember two of them at a time. Once I remember the third one of the other ones just swoop is gone. Da 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 da. There you go. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. So you can see they're all kind of similar there, and I always get them all three mixed up. And I'm pretty sure they're all three the same composers for all three of those last night. And we gotten this new modem / router thing from AT&T. The service was supposed to start at 8 o'clock on Thursday yesterday. And I'm like, the people on the phone when I was talking to them, like, oh, do you need us to send somebody out to set it up? I'm like, oh, no, I got it. Don't worry about it. And call from my wife. And she's like, oh, the internet is out, the phone is out, what's going on? But it turns out they had been out there earlier in the day to hook up the new Uverse equipment. And they had gotten a line mixed up or something. So they got somebody out there right away, thankfully, and got that all fixed. When I went to hook up the modem, I couldn't get the modem to work for nothing. I mean, I spent 2 hours trying to get this thing to work last night. My wife had been trying to tell me that it sounded like the guy had installed it on the other line, except I was so engrossed in trying to get the damn thing to work, I was not listening to anybody at this point, and I'm just getting frustrated and pissy. I finally sit down and I'm like, I don't know what's going on, Heather. She's like, well, did you try the other line? And all of a sudden it dawns on me, we had a second line for a while. And I'm like, fuck. And guess what? That was it. They put the new internet on the other line that we never used. So I'm very happy with the new internet service. I just wish I'd left my pride at the door and just said, yeah, send somebody out there to install it for me. It would have been, I mean, because they would have known what they did. They would have known they put it on a second line. They'd have come in and said, where's the second line? And just hooked everything up, you know? It should help me upload my videos faster, I hope. So hopefully it'll make it easier to get this stuff done on time, but I don't think that's my major problem with getting them done on time. I think I just have too much to do. So there goes my son. Come on. My idiot son, who I just asked to move his car so I could go pick up his sister. And there he goes. He couldn't even bother to put shoes or shirt on. He's in such a hurry to get back to his video game. Alright. Well, I'm off to see my Mensa friends. I just cooked the pizza crust and I covered it with this sour cream and ranch mixture. And threw a bunch of vegetables on it. It turned out pretty awesome. I made 2 of them and me and the family were getting into the other one right before I left. It's pretty awesome.
I was telling she could do the dance for
Oh, that's.
Oh, we got to zoom in on that.
Oh, good God. Yeah, great. So much.
Kevin doesn't care.
yes.
Kevin loves the camera. The camera loves Kevin. Oh, yeah.
Come out of your shell.
Yeah.